Two things I gotta say. Altoids and gum. Essentials, baby. So let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Hey Glam fam, what's up? So I'm going in with this Maybelline Master Blur and Smooth, the Clinique Eye Prep, the Aragon Oil by Jose Marian, and then this Glam Glow. I decided against foundation and just to spot correct and have a Glam Glow because I don't want transfer if I'm going on a date. You guys can feel free to add your favorite foundation, but I am going to set it with these e.l.f. Mineralized Pearls. It's all good. Those mineralized pearls are going to give me such a soft focus. Then I'm going in with this Hemps Papaya and Sugar Lip Scrub just to make sure our lips are foliated when we go out on a date. Then I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss. I'm going to keep it on through my whole makeup application, then wipe it off. Anyways, I'm going in with this NYX concealer in the color C10, which is like a yellow brightening concealer. This concealer is amazing. I'm tapping it in, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and wipe all the lines that the concealer left, because that's a fast trick right there. It just buffs everything out, makes it look seamless. Then I'm going in with this Too Faced Selfie palette and going into that yellow powder to really set my concealer so it doesn't crease. We don't want creasing on our date night. Then I'm going in with the Marian Bedesco Rose Water Spray to get all that powder off my face. Then I'm going in with this Maybelline Studio Tattoo Microfiber Brow Gel. Just make sure you set it first and then take an angle brush and buff it out. And it'll stay on overnight, trust me. Then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, going into that cranberry color. I'll leave all the names in the description box below. All right, I'm done with the eyes, just kidding. Then I'm going in with that brown color, and I'm going to put that on top of where I laid the cranberry color and then buff it out. Then I'm going to take the brown again and concentrate on the outer V and the crease and just blend back and forth. Then here's a trick. I'm going in with this NYX Custard Jumbo Pencil and cutting my crease. This is such an easy way to achieve a cut crease for beginners. Then I'm buffing out the lines around where I laid that jumbo pencil. Then I'm going back in with the brown to strengthen the color and give it a gradient effect. And then I'm buffing it out with that soft blending brush. There we go. Now everything looks perfect. Then I'm going in with my fingers into that lid color. I will put the names down. I won't forget. And then I'm going to buff that out with my fingers. Then I'm going in with the Stila Glitter and Go in Retro Rose Gold, putting it on top of my lids using my fingers and dispersing it around my eyelid. It's going to give it a wet look. Then I'm going in with that cranberry color on the lower lash line with this pencil brush on both sides. Then I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush and go on with that dark brown that we used on top of the cranberry. Then I'm going to go in with black just in the middle to make the eyes really pop. The eyes are going to be the focus. So when he looks in our eyes, he's mesmerized. Anyways, just kidding. Then I'm buffing it out with my crease brush just so all the colors blend together. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. You guys can add falsies, but I'm going to use this Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I prefer to wear this over falsies. Then I'm going in with this Urban Decay Illuminating Powder underneath where I laid all that concealer, on top of where I laid all that concealer. It's just going to give me a beautiful glow. Then I'm going with this Rimmel Tan Sunkissed Bronzer and just going to focus it where you see me with a round barrel brush. Then I'm going to go on top of that with some blush from Color Matte. Perfect. Then I'm going to spray again, and then I'm going to go in back into that Too Faced palette and use that bronzy color. It's going to make your photos look amazing. That contour is going to pop. Then I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, going into the color Tourmaline. I figured it matched with this look most beautifully, and it's going to glow. This light is not doing it justice. It's amazing. There we go. Then I'm going in that gold color for my bridge of my nose to make my nose pop. There we go. Then I'm going to spray my detail brush from Real Techniques and go on my brow bone with the Tourmaline just to finish off the eye look. Then go into Marshmallow with the detail brush on my inner corner to make the eyes really stand out. There we go. Looking good. Then I'm going to spray again in the shade Toolips by Colourpop. We don't want that lipstick to budge, and Colourpop will definitely make sure this is proof, make out proof. It's the perfect lip for a date night. All right, guys, that's the finished look. I love you so much. Peace. One last thing, I'm going to use my favorite perfume, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And here's some fake footage of me pretending like I'm getting asked out on a date when the truth of the matter is I've been married happily for over 20 years. Let me know in the comment section down below where your favorite place to go out on a date is. All right, I love you guys. Subscribe.